Welcome to the SFS Monday Evening Update. This is Morris. Let's first talk Energy Transfer. Heavy insider buying on this particular stock. And also, I want to make note here. Notice the highlight yield on this particular stock. Of course, this is a stock, pays 4 times a year, quarterly. But owning the stock with a dividend like this, we see the dividend, by the way, as solid. And this is happening in the midst of very weak crude prices, but I see crude going back to 40 sometime by the end of the year. I believe this stock could double when crude makes that recovery while yielding 20% a year. A pretty solid opportunity. We're using a stop on the share price. You will note we see this as a prudent strategy. Here's a look at Anglo Gold up to the point of resistance, pulling back. We got into some pretty heavy volume distribution right here, which would suggest there could be a little bit more to this. The verdict is still out, but you have a shoulder bottoming area all the way in here. You could do a dual shoulder, which would put us all the way back into the area of the arrow. So you could literally, the chart would end up looking something like this, and it would have beautiful symmetry on the chart. But we just want to keep in mind a deeper corrective action could be coming. I see that area as being broken, but the question is, it may really need to go back first and then move up. That's the outstanding question at this point. We'll keep you posted on trade instructions. The last chart I want to look at tonight is GDX. The impressive thing about GDX is the move off of the lows. $16, and here we've come all the way up to $32. A clean double in price. What is quite impressive is this trade will not correct. Yeah, it's breaking out of the bull flag formation, and I've got a point here about needing volume, but that said, we still haven't broke through the 32 cleanly. So what could actually happen, and what I wouldn't be at all surprised to see happen, is a gap through the area of resistance. No trading. In other words, it opens way up into this area and never looks back. That's a possibility. When that happens, we will likely see some sort of monster volume bar. So this is all setting up to be very bullish. Yes, typically you're looking for volume as it comes through the top of the bull flag formation, but then again, $32 needs to be in the rear view mirror. A gap through the area of that neckline is what I would prefer to see. We'll keep you posted on this one. You can see nice entry from SFS down around 25.5. That's all for now. This is Morris saying